So my son laid his bike down and I had to buy new brake levers. And you can see on the Valtinsu there's a sensor. Oh, yep, there you can see there's a sensor down there, and this has to push against it. Otherwise, when you turn it on, you get an error. And sometimes it works, sometimes you get an error, sometimes you don't. But the throttling is inconsistent and frustrating. See how that little brake light goes on? If you don't have a consistent pressure on that little button, it gets an error. So what I did is, or what I'm going to do, I did it to this one, is I stuck it in my vise and bent it just a little bit. I'll show you. Okay, so you want to bend it just a little bit. And this is aluminum, so if you bend it too much, you're going to weaken it and break it. And I probably weakened it and broke it already, but you know, he's going to lay it down again at some point. It's a kid's bike, that's what they do. Another thing too is it has these little teeny washers. Otherwise the bolt doesn't fit quite right. And don't lose those. At least my bike had those, so don't lose those like I did. Okay, one other thing that I would advise you to not do with these bikes is these brake levers, okay? You want them, you don't want them, don't do this. Loosen them such that if you tip it over, that they will move, that the brakes will move, but yet tighten them enough so that when you're riding that they don't move. So that's in an effort to, if it tips over, it doesn't just break or destroy the brake levers, that they'll move a little bit if it tips over, and which is going to get tipped over. Don't do that. Potentially dangerous, but there you go. Hope that was confusing.